Junie. Hey my dudes, it's Caitlin. It's a little after 1 and I'm just getting my day started because I accidentally stayed up till like 4 or 5. So I slept through my alarms and woke up at 12:30. I was trying to wake up at 9:30, but I needed the sleep. So what to expect for today's video, we're going to be spending the first half of the day doing small business stuff until like I believe 5, and because that's when the post office closes, and then we're going to be working on my first day of school for the fall 2021 school year. Yes, I am taking a class, just one class, to get used to school again. And yeah, so before we get into the video for good, don't forget to check out the creator of the month, who is my friend Remi, who just started a YouTube channel. They have baking videos, Animal Crossing Sims videos, plan on doing crafty videos, so I'm really excited about their channel and you should definitely go check them out. Remi is the sweetest person in the whole world. You'll absolutely love their channel. And with all of that being said, I'm gonna work on small business stuff. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is list these stickers that I made last night on Etsy. It says, "I eat body shamers for dessert," with a little donut and a smiley face. And I'm really obsessed with these. I've made a few mental health stickers. There's one that says, "Reminder, take your meds." Then obviously one that says, "Mental health matters." And I'm obsessed with them. I'm trying to list like one thing a day, or as often as I can, because apparently it helps with the Etsy algorithm, and I'm trying to build up my shop. But before I do this, I'm gonna make a to-do list of just everything I have to do today. Also, please ignore how messy my desk is gonna be in this clip. Oh, while it's in the shop, also I made this, so I'm gonna hopefully have time to work on making one of these today that doesn't have bubbles on it. I'm gonna apply it with a wet method that uses a spray bottle, because this has tiny little bubbles underneath it. I made this and I love it. I've been obsessed with cow print, so this is perfect. So let's get to making our to-do list. Okay, my to-do list is made. I have a to-do list for my small business, Junie and Company, which is I have to pack like 6 orders and then take them to the post office. And then I have some extra stuff to do if I have time. But it's already 1:40, so I'm not sure if I'll have time for that. And then for school, I have to work out with Jello in between. Jello is Angelo, by the way, my boyfriend. I don't know if you guys have heard me call him Jello. I have to go through my class on D2L, annotate the syllabus, download the textbook, make Google Calendar, and update the calendar for my school stuff. And then I'm gonna work on my first set of homework for the week. So let's get started with listing the "I Eat Body Shamers" sticker, which I am so freaking excited about. Oh my gosh. Do you wanna say hi, Junie? Do you wanna say hi? Yeah? She's very vocal. But I take this entertainment center and move it over toward the light by the door and then take pictures. I put a glue dot on my Apple Pencil and stick the sticker to it to make it like blurred out in the background. I'll show you an example. I'm gonna add these stickers in the background. Mental health matters ones. Why is it having issues focusing? There we go. Isn't he so cute? He's up there on the shelf. Okay, I took all the pictures and now it's time for me to list the listing of the stickers.
Ready?
Hold her up. Okay guys, it's been a minute because now it's 3:40. I updated my listings. I now have a 3-pack of these 3 stickers, And then all 3 of these, the 3-pack has a discount, so you get $1 off each sticker. So there's I Eat Body Shamers for dessert, reminder take your meds, and mental health matters. And I'm really excited about it. I cooked my eggs too much! My poor Eggos. You know? My poor Eggos. My poor noodles are probably overcooked, don't know. Disaster strikes when Kaitlyn tries to vlog cooking. Disaster strikes. I can't believe I overcooked those eggs.
Those now?
Yeah.
Huh, I don't even do that.
Yes, you do every time. It's 7:30. I have to work on making some rings, some flower rings. Small business stuff has ended up taking all day because I was posting on social media all day. I didn't end up packing the orders today because I don't have to ship them out till tomorrow. And I had to run errands. Like I said, I had to go get Apollo food. I had to go to my dad's house. It took a little longer than I planned. But if this vlog goes into tomorrow, then I will pack the orders in this vlog. If not, I'll pack them in another vlog. So I'm gonna work on the beaded bracelets, listen to Morbid Podcast, which is a true crime podcast. And you guys can make little bead rings with me. And then we can get started on school because I know I'm gonna do that for the rest of the night. So I need to finish the stuff I have to ship out tomorrow before I do the school stuff. I like to point my light up toward the ceiling because it gives me more diffused light on my desk. Okay guys, it's time to clean up that mess and work out, and I really didn't feel like working out. Junie's trying to get my camera. I really didn't feel like working out today because I still haven't started on school stuff. It's like past 9 o'clock. Angela's staring at me. And so we're gonna do our Chloe Ting workout. I'll link the program below that we're doing together. We did a 2-week program and now we're doing this program, and it's been really nice working out together. And I'm glad I'm just gonna do it even though I really don't want to because I have so much stuff to do. But, you know, we gotta do what you gotta do. So, bye. Okay guys, I just took a shower after working out. It took us a while to get to working out because of things that came up. So now it's 12 o'clock and I still haven't gotten to school, but it's okay because I'll get to it tomorrow. Luckily, nothing's due until the end of next week, so I'll have time to work on stuff. So with all that being said, I'm gonna make some tea for myself because I got some new loose leaf like chamomile tea, which will be really nice, and I'm going to relax. Angela has to go to bed early because he has work in the morning, so I am probably gonna have a silent rest of the night because he'll be sleeping right back in that room. So if there's no talking for the rest of today, at least in this vlog, then that's why. Guys, it is 9:23. Guys, look how cute this ring is that I made last night. I made it a little smaller than my finger. Look how freaking cute. I had a dream that Billie Eilish was at my house just chilling, and she tried my spaghetti and it was too spicy. But it was a good dream. It sounds bad, but it was a good dream because Billie Eilish was in my house. gonna make 2 more of these rings in 2 different colors and then list them on Etsy. Usually I work on stuff before I list it just to make sure I'm good at it, but this is the same technique as the other beads, just with a different center bead, so I'm pretty confident in my skills to make them. I posted the listing for the custom smiley face flower rings. Now it's 12:50 and I think I'm going to finally get to packing orders and then take those to the post office, and then the rest of the day is school, probably. So I'm going to take you guys along with me packing the orders, and I have new stickers, I have new packaging stuff, so I'm really excited for it. I'm so glad I have 8 orders. I think 10 was my record of orders at one time, so it's pretty cool that I have 8 right now because I was not expecting these rings and stickers to sell so well, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna head to the post office in a minute, and I also have to stop at the corner store to get some eggs because we're out and we're not going grocery shopping again yet. This is the aftermath of packing. Stuff everywhere. Did you guys notice I have Made with Love and Coffee stickers? I have new thank you cards. They're just photos. I printed them at CVS. And then I have some free gift stickers just so people don't get confused if they get a free gift, because sometimes that happens. And then I have glassine bags, which are more environmentally friendly because they're just paper and wax. They're usually like made for food, but they're pretty inexpensive, and stickers pull off of them nicely and stuff, so you could even keep the stickers that are on them. Got in the car and left all of my packages inside. Classic. Went and got my packages. I'm gonna bring stickers to see if the post ladies want some. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself. Hopefully they're not like, I hate stickers. Hopefully they'll like them, you know? Okay, so I asked her, I was like, are you guys allowed to accept presents? She goes, sure. And I was like, I brought stickers for you because you guys are always doing the most. And she was like, oh, okay. I just want to be nice. I hope she enjoys them. It was really busy, so she was probably stressed out, but like, I'm making a frowny face. Okay, so I have to go to the corner store and get some eggs for us, and then I can go back home. Okay guys, so now it's 4. So I was about to start on school stuff, and then my psychiatrist was like, yo, where are you? And I was like, crap. So I almost missed my appointment. I'm glad I didn't. Okay guys, I'm about to start. I'm a little nervous. My mom is the sweetest person ever and got me this essential oil CBD roll-on that's eucalyptus and lavender, which are 2 of my favorite scents because I had really bad anxiety a couple weeks ago, so she got me this. How sweet is that? That's adorable. I love the smell of it, and I'm gonna put it on. It smells so good. Okay, so ignore the kids and the dogs barking, but I'm gonna download the syllabus and annotate it. This is for Psych 101.